If your Kenmore dryer isn't getting hot, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The problem could be due to a lack of power or fuel, or a faulty heating element. To fix these issues, start by checking the power and fuel supply systems. Ensure the appliance is directly connected to a functional power supply outlet and verify that the circuit breaker on the power line hasn't tripped. If it has, simply reset it. For gas dryers, make sure the appliance is connected to a reliable gas supply and that the supply valves are turned on. Next, assess the heating element by disconnecting the dryer from the power supply and removing its back panel to access the element. Measure the resistance across the heating element at room temperature, which should be between 10 to 20 ohms if the reading shows zero resistance or significantly deviates from the expected values. Replace the heating element. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue with your Kenmore dryer not heating.